Today we are using our grit matte styling paste found in the Elements family. So with grit we can apply it to damp or dry hair to achieve that dry but yet flexible texture. So the beauty of grit is that you can mold your style several times throughout the day. So what we do is, you'll notice it's quite a soft paste, so you get as much as desired, okay? Warm it up and distribute it evenly across your palms, and then apply it generously throughout the entire head of hair, making sure that you get all in underneath right to the root area, that we don't miss any areas because otherwise they'll be left soft and fluffy. So once you've worked it all the way through the hair, we will then place it in the style that we desire, and so then as the product dries into the hair, it gives you that matte moldable texture.